Okay, so our work is about collision false positive on perceptual hash function. So perceptual hash function computes a fingerprint of picture, and if they are close, they have close fingerprint, and if they are different, they should have different fingerprints. And false positive is when different content have similar hashes. And we have found a lot of false positive when we hash face picture. And so if you want a demo of this, I can take a picture of you and compute how close you are from a celebrity. Okay? So one of you can, yeah? So only 78% in common with him, but still it's 100 bits in common, so it's quite close. And we, yes, as I say, yeah, it's not a false positive, but it's close to it. Okay.